Hey guys, in this video we are working on order of operations. The question says, what is the value of the expression below? All right, we got a lot of things going on here, but remember our order of operations. First, we're going to work within parentheses. So here's my parentheses, and within that, I actually have two things. I have multiplication and division. So which are we going to do first? We're going to work left to right, and that's multiplication first. So I'm going to rewrite this every single time, just doing one step at a time. 10 times 4, that's 40. Everything else stays the same, so that divided by 8, that stays in parentheses. Don't forget that 2, 16 minus 2 times that whole thing, plus 2 to the third power. Okay, next up, we are still working within parentheses. Now I have 40 divided by 8. That gives us 5. So on this line, I have everything exactly the same, plus 2 to the third power. Now, even though there's a parentheses here, it's actually just a placeholder. It doesn't mean that we're working within parentheses anymore. The next thing I'm going to do then is this 2 to the third power. Next is exponents. So I have 2 to the third power. That's 2 times 2 times 2. That's 4 times 2. That's 8. Okay. Now I have 16 minus 2 times 5 plus 8. I've run out of room here, so let me move it over here, and I will have 16 minus 2 times 5 plus 8. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is I have multiplication and division, whichever comes first, left to right. I only have multiplication here. It's 2 times 5. That gives us 10. So I now have 16 minus 10 plus 8. And my final thing is addition and subtraction, whichever comes first from left to right. So I have 16 minus 10, that's happening first. 16 minus 10, that gives us 6. I have 6 plus 8. My final step here is going to be adding up 6 plus 8. That gives me 14. All right, so the value of this whole expression below ends up being 14. Everyone in the world will get 14 no matter where they are, as long as they follow the order of operations correctly. All right, guys, thanks for watching.